Hello, welcome to Monopoly, and this is the place where we don't care how we look and how we do because we are monopolizing our sales. We are scaling, and this is where we are doing everything totally different than everybody else. This is scaling. We're using free traffic, we use paid traffic, and we use retargeting to our existing fans already. So basically what it means is we do absolutely upside down dropshipping just because we are outsourcing. Can you imagine you are selling one item multiple times per day? I mean 10 times, 20 times, 30 times per day, the same item to targeted audiences in Tampa, Florida only, not in New York, but in Tampa, Florida. That's the dream of every single dropshipper. How can I do Monopoly? And if you have any questions about Monopoly, please feel free to reach out to me to find out what you can do to get into the Monopoly training and work with us hand to hand with your Monopoly. See you inside.